What's up guys, it's Eddie again, and it's been a long week. Long story short, just got home from New Orleans. My daughter had surgery down in Oshner. Been about a 2-hour drive getting up here. My family's asleep. I'm trying to make sure I handle some stuff that's kind of been going on eBay while I've been gone. We were gone for 4 days and I've had some sales build up. I had 14 items sell while I was gone, which is not great. It's okay, I guess. But I figured since I had 14 items, I would go ahead and kind of give you all like a what's sold video and give you guys some ideas on like what to be looking for, some bolos, and what you can sell on eBay. The first item sold are these lot of comic books. These were first print He-Man comics from like 2013. There's 11 of them. Nice little run. These were a personal buy. We used to be really big into comics. And honestly, these things sell for about $3 a piece. There's 11 of them, so you're looking at about $33 purchase and then taxes, and then me selling for $39.99 with free ship. I'm not making any money on this stuff really. I'm just kind of getting my money back out of it. And by the way, guys, these are not considered books. They have advertisement, so you cannot send them through media mail. These will not go in first class. They will have to be sent priority mail. Probably sitting at somewhere around a $10 shipping on these. The next thing is sold some more of those He-Man comics. I set them up a different lot. These are actually international sale, and they did a little better. This lot of 5 comics sold for 30 bucks by themselves. So on these, well, I will make money. They will go first class, and so I'll probably make $5–10 as a whole. So yeah, the next item that sold was this small pen. Yeah, this was just like a lapel or hat pen. It sold for $5.99. Some people were willing to take these things and store them in envelopes and mail them. I'm not. I'm gonna send it first class. They'll go for $2.80. And with fees, I'm gonna make a few dollars on this. Basically what this was I had bought a hat from a local thrift store, and it was covered in all these hat pins. And the hat was worth like $10–15, and I barely looked at the pins. I got home and started taking the pins out, and leaving all these massive holes, and I was like, I can't sell this hat. So maybe I can get money out of the pins. I started looking at the pins and realized the pins were worth more than the hat altogether. This is one of the lower value ones. This will be a quick little sale, easy, nothing to it. It was easy to list. The next item that sold was this Dragon Magazine Annual, the number 2. This is older, it's like 1997. It sold for $8, free shipping. I bought this in a massive lot of books, magazines, and like RPG books. I spent, I think, 40 bucks for that entire lot. I have made almost $600–700 on that, easy. So this one only sold for $8, but I've well more than made my money on this. This is basically free at this point. The next item that sold is these Nike Air Max Watermelon colorway. I sent out an offer on them. I think I got $36 and some change on these. I bought these at a Willo, I think for like $5. The shipping on it shouldn't be too terrible. I should make about a $20 profit on these. Next item that sold was this massive Mamma Jamma Hulk. I bought it at a Goodwill for $2, sold it for $27.99, free ship. This thing weighs about 2.5 pounds by itself. Shipping's not gonna be fun, and it's not gonna be relatively cheap, but when you're turning it from a 2 to a 28, even with $10–15 in shipping, I'm still making about a $10 profit. The next time it sold actually is some miniatures, and I'll open this bag up. But yeah, it's just like a lot of 3 little like elemental Moffats or whatever you want to call them. So I'm getting closer. I had put them up as an auction. They didn't do as well as I thought they did. They did bid up to $4 at a set amount of $6 for shipping. $10, these will not cost that. They'll probably cost, they'll definitely be like a under 3 ounce first class. Looking at about $2.80 to mail these things. So I mean, yeah, I make $5 on them, really easy. Yeah, I don't want to keep tearing these things open because I sell these things quite a lot, and I have some individual miniatures that sold, and I don't want to get them mixed up. I'll put the listing up for it, and you should be able to see what it is. It's a lot of Goblin. There's 5 of them in there. They sold for $20, free shipping. Once again, easy, under 3 ounce, first class. The next beast that sold, this thing is massive. It's actually Star Trek Enterprise model. It was, hopefully y'all can see this well. It's just partially assembled and wired. It was not pretty, it was nasty. This is what it's supposed to look like. Y'all can get a better idea of what I sold here. These things, new in package, sell for a lot of money, especially this size. 130, 150 bucks. I did not know what I was getting into when I bought this. Sometimes, if you've ever watched one of my earlier videos, you see a bunch of just pile of like looks like models on the floor. That's what those are. I bought a lot of that. It was more than I can handle, honestly. So I just listed one that I knew was complete and unassembled. Every other one's partially assembled. They're not even all in the same boxes. Parts of it are in other boxes. It was just too much. So I just listed one of the other ones, and that one I listed for $79.99. I had gotten some offers and some questions on it about it because in my listing I put not guaranteed to be complete, and it was missing the bottom of the box. And then I told them no, that it was partially assembled and wired. And people kept asking questions about why and is it done right or how can I not guarantee everything's there. And basically what it was is that I bought it. He said it's there. I can't 100% trust him. I sold it for 80 bucks. Someone paid for it. I'm gonna mail that out. It's not gonna be a fun ship. I'm gonna probably come in close to making my money back basically on this whole lot. So I spent $50 for the lot. I'm okay with that. I'm gonna get my money back, try to make a little bit of money off the other one, and then just either donate it or sell them all off on a local market for relatively cheap because I want this crap gone. The next item I sold was this Funko Pop Walking Dead. It's a zombie Merle. We used to buy these things and kind of have a little setup where we were displaying them, and we just realized we weren't displaying them in a while, and I decided to get rid of them. And so I sold this one for $9.09 for the free shipping. I actually had sent out an offer and they took it. Really easy ship, super light. No, we did not want to make money on this in the ultimate long run, but we're getting some money back out of it and we're getting it out of our hair. I sold another one of these miniatures. This is a Willo miniature. It's a single miniature. It's nothing special, all right? It sold for $14.99, free ship, super easy, super light, made pretty good money. That's why I bought that lot of those things. I'm only not making a killing. It's another one of those miniatures. It's just a little elf warlock lady. $7.99 free ship, a few dollars. This right here was actually a really cool find. This is a vintage, like a Britain's army set. He just has little balls and it actually works. It shoots little balls out. This is metal. This is also a good tip for anybody out there, is if you go to Craigslist or if you go on like Facebook Marketplace and you search up curb alert, you can find free stuff people put on their curb. And so I was doing that. I saw this curb alert. I went over there and I found a massive amount of like regular Nintendo and Super Nintendo game manuals, just the manuals, which sell, by the way, in lots, really good. And I found a bunch of these, not necessarily these cannons. There was another cannon. There's two cannons, and there was a bunch of little metal Civil War miniature soldiers for toys from the 70s. And I lotted all those things up, some of them in lots, sold some separately. This is the last bit of that whole lot. I've probably made $300-400 just on those toys alone. Anyway, I've been holding on to this as the last piece for a little while. Sent some offers and it sold for $16.99 free ship. The last thing that sold was this WWE action figure, Demon Finn Balor. And so this one sold for $10 free ship. I paid 25 cents for it. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if this is the type of video that you do like, come on back, give it a subscribe, check my videos out. Y'all have a good one.